Digital government is about using the technology we associate with the fourth industrial revolution for the benefit of citizens. Government faces many challenges helping manage this transition through the fourth industrial revolution. The automation of jobs is a key challenge. We estimate at PwC that 30% of current jobs will be automated by 2030.
Governments play a key role in accelerating the positive impact of these technologies.
There are a number of governments around the world who are already using this sort of technology to transform and improve the lives of their citizens.
Drones are truly transformative, and particularly in places where you do not have the traditional transport networks reach. I would single out Rwanda on their use of drones. About a year ago, they started working on delivering blood supply to help women during childbirth. They were dying because they didn't have the right blood type. They would get an SMS message and send the blood supply with the drone and save hundreds of lives.
The Indian government has got a huge program. It's enrolling 1.2 billion Indian citizens in a biometric identification program. Initially, this was set up to make sure that subsidised food got to the right families, and now 3,500 government services are being provided direct through this platform.
So what we do in one country can be shared in a much bigger context and impact the lives of over 500 million people. Blockchain will be more influential than the World Wide Web has been.
Norway and the Netherlands, for instance, are using blockchain technology to encourage the growth of the renewable energy sector.
Blockchain represents a fundamental opportunity to have a more inclusive society as we move forward. The emerging countries do not have the means to develop the systems that the developed nations have. With blockchain, they can do it much faster at a much lower cost.
To make the leap to digital, governments need a vision for a transformed economy and society in which emerging technology is encouraged, invested in and harnessed to deliver a fairer future for everyone.